How to disable guest mode in Chrome. So if you want to disable your guest mode in Chrome, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome browser, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you need to just go with an option which is manage other people. So if you don't find manage other people, then you can just simply go with the search settings, and here you can search for guest. After searching, you will have your option under your privacy and settings. You'll be able to turn off your guest mode, or you can also just go with your profile, which is on the top right, and here you will have an option of guest mode, so you can just simply go with your guest profile. Once you open up your guest profile, now if you want to turn off your guest mode, then you can just simply go with the guest, which is on the top right, and you will have close guest, and it will take you back. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.